So, continuing in the series of demography, today I will be discussing with you some short topics but important topics, keeping in mind your prof exams and entrance exams. The topics which will be included are population pyramid, age pyramid, demographic gift, and dependency ratio. So, I will be covering each topic step by step in a very crisp manner. First of all, I will be telling you what do you mean by annual growth rate. Annual growth rate is given by the formula birth rate minus death rate divided by 10. How would you define the population? That the population is slow growing, or very rapidly growing, or explosive growth. So, slow growing population have annual growth rate less than 0.5%, moderate 0.5 to 1%, rapidly growing 1 to 1.5%, very rapidly growing 1.5 to 2%, and at last explosive growth of the population is said when it is more than 2%. So you have to definitely remember this point, that explosive growth is said to be done when annual growth rate is more than 2%. Now I will be moving forward and I will be telling you about a very known term, a term which you must have listened, that is Malthusian growth मॉडल. माल्थुसियन ग्रोथ मॉडल का सिंपल सा मतलब है कि सर अगर एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट 1% है तो मेरी पॉपुलेशन 70 साल में 70 ईयर्स में डबल हो जाएगी. मतलब कि सर अगर ऋषिकेश की पॉपुलेशन मान लो आज 1 लाख है और एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट ऋषिकेश का 1% है, तो 70 साल में 2095 में 2095 में ऋषिकेश की पॉपुलेशन 2 लाख होगी. तो सिंपल मैथ अगर मैं लगाता हूं, 1% की जगह 2% एजीआर है, एनुअल ग्रोथ रेट है, तो मानी सी बात है कि 70 साल की जगह सिर्फ 35 ईयर्स लगेंगे. इंस्टेड ऑफ 70 ईयर्स 35 ईयर्स वुड बी द टाइम टेकन टू डबल द पॉपुलेशन. इफ it is 0.5%, if you are not very dull in maths, you will be definitely thinking that it would be 140 years. Doctors are supposed to be dull in maths, but according to me, I have met very few batchmates or my friends who are weak in maths. My maths was the strongest subject up to my 12th, but till I took biology, so doctors are not weak in maths. If it is 1.5%, population will be doubled in 47 years. If you ask me about India, annual growth rate of India is 1%. According to 2021 data, it is 0.9%. So there is a term which you would have heard or you would heard in future, that is year of big divide. अगर आपने मेरा पिछला लेक्चर सुना था तो मैंने आपको 5 फेसेस समझाए थे डेमोग्राफिक साइकिल के. हाई स्टेशनरी फेस, अर्ली एक्सपेंडिंग फेस, लेट एक्सपेंडिंग फेस, लो स्टेशनरी फेस एंड डिक्लाइनिंग फेस. सन 1920 तक, ईयर 1920 तक, you should remember it by the horror movie that is 1920, India was in high stationary phase, and from 1921 India entered into early expanding phase, means population was growing drastically, explosively. So the year 1921 is known as year of big divide. So age pyramid or population pyramid represents age and sex structure of the population. It is a double histogram. Double histogram means there are two histograms. On one side, histogram showing male and on another side it would be showing female in a particular age group. Usually male is on the left side and females are on the right side in age pyramid or population pyramid, because females are always right. Y-axis will always be representing age and x-axis will be representing population. So here you can see all the points which I have told you. X-axis, as you can see, is representing the population. Y-axis you can see is representing the age. You can see that the different age groups are written on the y-axis. On the left side you can see males are there, and on the right side as usual females are there. It is a double histogram. You can clearly see that on both sides of the center there are histograms. So it is double histograms, as you can see. So what are the three things you have to watch while observing an age pyramid? These three things will be shape of the age pyramid, symmetry of the age pyramid, and height of the age pyramid. There are two different shapes of the pyramid. First one is upright triangle, second one is spindle shaped. तो सर शेप देख के आप मुझे क्या बता देंगे? पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड के सबसे नीचे जो पॉपुलेशन होगी एट द बॉटम इज यंगर पॉपुलेशन, मिडल वन इज ऑफ कोर्स मिडल एज्ड पॉपुलेशन एंड अपर वन इज ओल्डर पॉपुलेशन. So it is very obvious that the population is made up of three components, as we can say in easy terms, that is younger population, middle aged and older aged population. The base of the age pyramid or population pyramid will be younger population, middle part will be middle aged people and upper part will be older population. younger population को हम क्या कह सकते हैं? प्री रिप्रोडक्टिव population. middle aged can also be known as reproductive population, and older age can be called as post reproductive population. So these are some basics which you should be knowing before commenting on the shape of the age pyramid. So there are two age pyramids which I have drawn in front of you. One is upright triangle and other is spindle shape. From upright triangle, it can be easily interpreted that the younger population is more. In spindle shaped, it can be easily interpreted that middle aged population is more. So upright triangle is seen in developing countries like India, and spindle shaped is seen in developed countries like USA, UK. Upright triangle represents हाई बर्थ रेट. बर्थ रेट ज्यादा है तभी तो यंगर पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा है. बर्थ रेट हाई है मतलब फर्टिलिटी रेट आर आल्सो हाई. एंड स्पिंडल शेप्ड एज पिरामिड विच इज सीन इन डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज शो लो बर्थ रेट और फर्टिलिटी रेट. आफ्टर कमेंटिंग ऑन द शेप, we have to comment on the symmetry of the age pyramid. So what can I interpret from looking on the symmetry of the age pyramid or the population pyramid? As you can see that one side, that is right side, is representing females and left side is representing males. So if my age pyramid or population pyramid is symmetrical on both sides, means the length of histogram is same on both sides, then we can say that the proportion of males is equal to the proportion of the females. So by looking at the symmetry, we can comment on the sex ratio of the population. If both sides are not symmetrical, the number of males are more than the number of females, the histogram or representing the males on the left side is longer as compared to histogram representing the females on the right side, then we can say that the sex ratio is not adequate. The symmetrical age pyramid is seen in developed countries and asymmetrical is seen in developing countries. You can easily see from this image the symmetrical and asymmetrical pyramid. The symmetrical pyramid shows equal length or height of the histograms, and asymmetrical pyramid shows unequal, representing the unfavorable sex ratio which is seen in developing countries like India. It is very obvious that taller the age pyramid, more is the life expectancy. You can see that on y-axis we have plotted the age. So if y-axis is increasing, means life expectancy is more.